Ma'am, can I get some water, please? I need water! Can I get some water? I need water! I need some water, please.
She shouldn't be recorded.
Let's step outside.
Hold on.
Let's step outside.
In
There are
6
private-
months,
there-
in 6
ma'am.
months, I have never
Outside.
been kicked out of
Outside.
any McDonald's.
Let's
Why
go.
are you
Outside.
doing this? Why
Come
are
on,
you
let's go
doing-
outside.
Why are you doing
Let's
the
go
white
outside.
man's bidding?
Let's
Why
go
are you
outside.
doing the white
Let's
man's
go outside.
bidding? Why are you doing the white man's
Come
bidding?
on, let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Huh? Gatekeeper?
Let's
Black
go.
gatekeeper?
Let's go.
Why are you doing
Let's
the white
go.
man's
I
bidding?
need your ID,
Why are
ma'am.
you doing the... Tell him, why are you doing the white man's bidding? Why are you doing the white man's bidding?
Ma'am.
Why are you a
Ma'am,
gatekeeper?
calm down. Let me see your ID.
No, that is not going to be the
Yes,
first thing
let me
you
see
do.
your ID. You are not going to leave right now.
Okay, you're
You are
not
not
going to
gonna
put
leave.
your fucking hands on me. You're not going to put your fucking hands on me.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're not going
Stop
to
resisting.
put your hands.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your
I
back.
am not resisting. Stop
Okay,
it.
put your hands behind
I
your
am
back.
not resisting. Stop. Stop, please
Put your
stop.
hands behind your
Stop.
back.
Stop. Stop. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. Stop it. Stop. I haven't done anything.
94, can I get
I
another unit,
haven't
please?
done anything. I haven't done anything. I haven't done
Put your hands behind your
Why
back.
are you doing this?
Put your hands behind your back.
I
Drop your backpack.
I haven't done anything.
Drop your backpack and put your hands behind your back.
I haven't done anything.
Put your hands behind your back.
I haven't
Let
done
go.
anything.
Let go.
I'm innocent. I haven't done anything. Stop. I need my glasses. I
Let
haven't,
go.
I haven't done
Let
anything.
go. Let
I'm
go.
a 25-year
Stop
Florida
resisting.
resident.
Stop resisting.
I have a son at the University of Florida. I am
That's
not
a-
a homeless person. Do not
I
treat
don't
me.
care.
Stop.
I don't care.
Leave
Let
me.
go.
Please don't
Let go.
do this.
Let go. You're
I
going to
am a
jail.
mother. I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. Stop! 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 I have done nothing wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hand behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
Stop! I haven't done anything wrong.
Keep them behind your back.
You're hurting me. Stop!
Stay seated.
Stop!
Stay seated. Do not move. Stay seated.
Please, I haven't done anything wrong. My son graduates from
That's
the
great. I don't care. You failed to identify yourself. You failed to leave after being asked.
My son graduates from the University of Florida next month. Please, sir, stop. You don't need to do this. Why are you doing this? Please don't.
You have to listen to the officer.
I will give you my ID.
You failed to give it the
Please
first 3 times I
don't.
asked.
You
You're,
didn't-
no,
Please.
that's too late for that.
Please.
We're not doing that. I asked her 3 times.
I need my glasses.
Well, half of them are right here.
Why did you ruin my glasses?
Alright, wanna
I
put her in the car?
can't see.
Stand up. Stand up.
I can't see without my glasses. I need my
Yeah,
laptop.
you need to walk.
I need my laptop. I need my laptop. Please, please get my laptop.
Relax.
Please get my laptop.
Walk.
Get your stuff.
Please get my laptop.
Can you take her?
My dog is in the car. Please,
Come here. We got a search.
please stop.
Do you have anything on your person?
I don't.
All right.
Please stop. Please stop.
Where is your
Buckle.
buckle for your fanny pack?
What do you... Please stop. Please stop.
All right.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Relax.
I didn't do
Just
anything
relax.
wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. Can you loosen them?
Relax.
Those are very tight. Please loosen.
They're not tight. I can fit my. I can. Look, there's a whole finger in there.
No, it's not fine.
Alright, let's put her in the car.
No, it's very tight, please. My dog! My dog, sir! My dog! What are you gonna do with my dog?
SPCA, I don't know.
Why
in
are
there.
In the car.
why are
Sit
you
down.
doing
You're going to
this?
jail.
I didn't do anything wrong! I didn't do anything wrong! I need my
Watch your foot.
backpack!
I heard you say you want to press charges.
Yes.
She failed to leave as trespassing. She also failed to identify herself. So can you just tell me what happened before I got here?
Yeah, no problem. So I came out the lobby. There was her sitting over there, and then another guy that was sitting over there that was, I guess he was homeless or something like that. And then there was a family over here. So I do our rounds. Every 30 minutes we have to do our rounds. Let the customers, hey, good morning. You have a 30-minute time frame while consuming food, and then you have to be off the property. It's a 30-minute time frame. She didn't even consume any food. She was just sitting here using the Wi-Fi. And so she was like, who are you? The white gatekeeper? Ma'am, this is not even a confrontational thing right now.
Right.
I'm just letting you know the rules is 30 minutes. Well, I traveled the world and blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, congratulations that you traveled the world. I don't need to know all that. I just need you to know that there's a 30-minute time frame, and that's it. That's all I'm coming here to do. And then that's when she's got outraged. She started calling me names. Ma'am, I don't have time for that. Oh, you hate your mother. Oh, you need to go get some tea and all this. I'm like,
what names was she calling you?
She called me a black and then she called me a black gay dude. Then she said, she just kept saying, hateful things,
Okay.
Oh, you're here to control the white people. And ma'am, she's like, oh, you need to be in jail somewhere where all the black people is. You know where they want you. I'm like, ma'am, I don't care about all that. Ma'am, I have a degree. I just applied for law school. I'm just waiting for them to say,
oh, congrats.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my acceptance letter. That's it. Congrats. So, all that unnecessary stuff, ma'am, I can't engage in that. There's ethical things that I have to, maintain.
Absolutely.
I can't do that. So it's like, the things that you're saying is very hateful, and I really want to react, but in the back of my head, I'm thinking like, you're just applying for law school. So, there's certain standards that you have to go about things. So, then I just called 911 to say, can you guys just come and remove the lady? And by the time you got here, she was already back here trying to record me. And I'm like, ma'am, stop recording me. You don't have permission to record me. Stop recording me. Okay. Oh, I'm recording. And that's what happened.
Okay. I just see. Are you a manager?
Yes, I am.
I just need to get your quick ID.
Okay, no problem. Let me go get my driver's
and then I'll have you on your way.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
So there's another statute that I'm thinking about right now.
Okay.
It's disorderly conduct in a licensed establishment.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Clearly, she's acting disorderly in a licensed establishment.
Exactly.
And like I said, I know you want to press charges for trespassing. Would you also be okay with the disorderly conduct?
Yes,
okay,
I'll be
perfect.
fine with that. Yes, that's not a problem at all.
Can I have some water, sir? Oh my God! Oh my God! Ma'am, can I get some water, please? I need water! Can I get some water? I need water! I need some water, please, please, please.
Hi.
Hi, I need some water.
Take a deep breath.
My mouth is seriously parched and my dog is in
I can help you
there.
out, but you have to listen to me, okay? Take a deep breath, relax. My name is Mark Sarkis. I'm the supervisor today, okay? Obviously got called out because there was some force used against you. So, I need to make sure you're not hurt. Okay?
I am hurt.
Right now you're just thirsty, or what hurts?
No, they put these super tight on here.
Okay.
He broke my glasses. He threw me to the ground.
Alright.
I have never been kicked out of a McDonald's, and I've traveled this country 6 months. I'm a journalist. I'm not a nobody. I lived in Florida for 25 years.
Okay.
I have 2 sons at the University of Florida. I am not a homeless person. I am not somebody to be pushed around. I have a master's degree. I'm educated. I don't know why you're doing this to me.
Well, I didn't do it. I just got here, so I'm just making sure everything's...
These are super tight and they're really constricting.
Alright, well, I guess the issue was...
Why did he have to throw me down and break my glasses? Is my phone also
I
broken?
don't know. I'll look into all that. I have to review everything. We have body cameras on throughout the entire counter, so everything that happened we'll see.
Dad, he broke my glasses. There is no need to get that kind of aggressive with me. I'm a 50-year-old woman. I'm 5'3". I'm not dangerous. I don't own firearms. I was a victim of domestic violence in this state. My ex-husband spent 6 months in the Sarasota County Jail for smashing his wife into his third wife's face, and I was the second wife. You don't need to do this to a woman whose mother was murdered also. You don't need to do this to women.
Keep your hands together like you're praying, and they're real loose, okay?
They're not. They're driving into my
Okay,
wrist.
take some deep breaths, relax.
Can you
We'll be right
please
back.
give me water, please? Just give me a drink of water, please. You could have loosened them up. I am not a threat. I don't own firearms, nothing. You did this on purpose because you're a sadist. And you like to brutalize women and black people. This is the stupidest thing you've ever fucking done. Like, it's so useless. It's so useless to be so fascist. It really is. It's fascist as Florida, man. It's so bad here. It's so bad. Like, honestly, there was no need to harass me. There wasn't a need for that guy to harass me, and there wasn't a need for you to harass me. You said to your boss you were going to get me water. Why did you lie to your boss?
Step out. Put your stomach on the blue line.
She's now looking at a stack of charges: disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, trespassing, and battery on an officer. Body cam footage like this shows exactly how fast a situation can spiral once someone decides not to cooperate. Officers are trained to de-escalate, but once things turn defiant, the outcome rarely works out in the suspect's favor. Cases like this often end up as key evidence when they reach the courtroom. If this clip caught your attention, drop a like and hit subscribe. New body cam videos land here every single day.